is Kristen here at the Biggs Museum of American Art, and happy first Biggs Kids of 2021. Today we are located on the first floor inside our Salvador Dali exhibition entitled Stairway to Heaven. This exhibition looks at a collection of illustrations. An illustration is something that people draw to help you understand what is happening in a piece of writing. In this case, our exhibition looks at two sort of epic poems. One is a famous French poem, and the other one is a famous Italian poem. Now, behind me, we have two of the illustrations that Salvador Dali made. Now, they may look kind of weird, and you can't quite tell what's happening. And that's because Salvador Dali is what we call a surrealist artist. Now, surrealism sort of blends what is reality and what is imaginary. And Salvador Dali gets a lot of inspiration for his artworks from his dreams. And so our project today is going to be piecing together different things that inspired Salvador Dali to make our own artwork. So today we have some PDFs that you can find below that has sections and objects from some of the artworks on display here at the Biggs Museum in downtown Dover, Delaware. And those PDFs, like I said, have different objects that you can find all throughout this exhibition. And it is 2 pages. Now, what you want to do is using those PDFs, you're gonna need a pair of scissors and some glue and an extra piece of paper. And what you want to do is pick the objects that you really like, and you, or with the help of a parent, can cut out the objects. It doesn't have to be all of them. Say you just like this weird little loopy thing. You can cut out just that one single loopy thing. It doesn't have to be both, it's your artwork. And once you've cut out all different pieces, you're gonna get a piece of paper, and with some glue, you're gonna start piecing them together. So I have 2 examples of ones that I made. Here, I've taken our 3-headed dog horse monster and a wing. And I've made a 3-headed dog horse Pegasus monster, and it's fighting a knight on another horse. And we have some people watching, and then I've created a background out of different objects from those pages. So I've created a full scene with this, and it's made just out of these separate pieces that I've cut out. Now, when you cut out things and kind of piece them together to make your own artwork, it's called a collage. So we've taken pieces of paper from parts of the illustrations made by Salvador Dali, and we've made our own collage. Now, I've made a second option. And in the second option, I've taken more pieces and I've cut them out and I've put them together so I'd have sort of a family hugging, coming out of a drawer with a branch with some stuff on it coming out of a drawer. And I've used our skeleton head and created a background with a piece of a wing and those weird lumpy things. Now, I decided that I couldn't use just the pieces of paper to make a scene. So I've gone back and with marker, I've drawn sort of a stage and a sky. And now when you use multiple types of objects to make artwork, in this case, paper and pen, it becomes what is called mixed media, because paper is a type of media. Marker is a type of media. And so when you put 2 types of media together, it becomes mixed media. And that is your project this week. Using the PDF below, with all of the images and pieces taken from the Salvador Dali exhibition. And from things that he thought in his dreams, you're gonna cut them out and put them together and create your own surrealist inspired either collage or mixed media artwork. Now, be sure to take pictures and post them in the comments below. We love to see your artwork, and we hope you can come join us at the Biggs Museum soon to see all of our Salvador Dali artwork here on the first floor. Once again, my name is Miss Kristen, and I want to say thanks for joining us for our first Biggs Kids in 2021. Bye.